Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well during this lockdown period. उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग बिल्कुल स्वस्थ होंगे, बिल्कुल फिट होंगे. This is your computer science teacher Virendra and I am here to give you some important lecture on a particular topic. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go for it. So students, right now this video belongs to class 7th student and class 7th student will already study the chapter the computer virus. The chapter name is the virus, chapter number 9. In this chapter I have already completed 3 topics, and what are the topics we have already completed? Let's recall it. Already the topics already covered here, that is topics covered. Topics covered. First topic, introduction, that is already finished. Introduction is already finished. Now second, malware. This is the second topic which is already done in first video. Third, types of malware. Types of malware. And the last one is types of virus. So students, these 4 topics are already completed in first video and you are already watched it. So first of all, I just want to say thanks to you that you have all watched my videos since starting till the last. Okay, now in this video we are going to cover few more topics. Okay, so let's have a names of topic which we'll going to cover in this session, right? So let me erase the board here and I will give you what kind of topics we are going to cover. So your first topic is for today's session virus symptoms. Virus symptoms. Second topic, prevention from virus. And third one, antivirus. And the final and the last one is quick heal antivirus. Quick heal antivirus. Okay, so these 4 topics we are going to cover in this session. Okay students, so without wasting any of the time, let's come to the first topic. Let's come to the first topic. So our first topic is topic number 1 and the topic name is virus symptoms. Virus symptoms. Okay students, so first of all, before proceeding this, we must know about what is the meaning of symptom. In Hindi you can say the meaning of symptom is लक्षण. कि जब आपके कंप्यूटर में वायरस एंटर कर जाएगा तो वो सिस्टम कौन कौन से लक्षण आपको दिखा सकता है. Okay, so let me give the examples here so that you can able to understand in a good way. Okay, so first example here, I am talking about speed. Okay, according to system, when system is already having the virus, means your system is infected, at that time your speed is low. Automatically your speed, the computer speed is low. If I talk about the storage, if I talk about the storage, It means that whenever the virus is entered into the computer, may be possible your storage become full or about to full. Maybe because when the virus entered, you know that in last video I have told you about the replication. So when the replication done, when the duplication is done, your storage become full and full, right? आपका जो storage है बिल्कुल पूरी तरह full हो जाएगा. Okay students? Now third point. Third point is abnormal behavior. Abnormal behavior मतलब क्या हुआ कि जब आपके कंप्यूटर में वायरस जाएगा तो सिस्टम कुछ इस तरह से बिहेव करेगा, लगेगा कि हाँ ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली. इट मीन्स दैट okay I think you are able to see some of the systems that their screen is little bit blur and it is prompting some kind of unwanted messages, means your data is getting hacked, okay, some other message or virus is getting stored into the computer, okay, like this kind of is messages come onto their computer screen. Okay, so this is the one kind of abnormal behavior. Okay, your processing speed already, we have already talked about this, it's very low, your system works very slow, storage become about to full, or you can say full in a quick time, okay, and in abnormal behavior means computer showing some unwanted messages, right? Let me talk one more point. Once the computer having a virus, means your computer is infected now. If I talk about the files and folders, what is about that? Files and folders. What is it? It means that whenever your files and folders is getting infected due to that virus, maybe that files may be deleted somehow. Yes, that file may be deleted somehow, right? So right now this may be your virus symptoms. Okay students, now let's come to the next topic. So let me erase this. Now we are coming to the next topic, that is prevention from the virus. Next topic is prevention from virus, right? This is our next topic. So in this topic, there is a spelling mistake. Prevention from virus. Now means आप अपने कंप्यूटर को वायरस से कैसे बचाएंगे? Okay, first of all, every system must have antivirus. Every system must have antivirus. Yes, आप अपने सिस्टम में अच्छे से अच्छा एंटीवायरस रखिए आप. ओके, सेकंड, अब आपको ये सोचना है कि जो वायरस है वो वायरस कहां से आ सकता है, कौन कौन से तरीकों से आ सकता है. ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट यूएसबी ड्राइव, योर पेन ड्राइव, योर सीडी. ओके, so for this, whenever the infected pen drive or CD getting inserted into the computer, at that time your computer become infected, right? So don't use this kind of pen drives and CD drives. Please don't use this kind of CD, DVD and whatever if you're thinking that this is the infected things, right? So we have talked here CD and DVD and pen drive also, and you can also say SD card. If you are thinking that this is the infected thing, don't use it. Let's come to the third point. Pirated software. Pirated software. That's a very means you can say a diminished way of software. बहुत ही समझिए कि एक मार्केट में तहलका मचा देने वाला आपका ये सॉफ्टवेयर होता है, लेकिन नेगेटिव सेंस में। बिल्कुल भी आप इसको बिल्कुल भी यूज नहीं करेंगे आप। ओके, डोंट यूज द पायरेटेड सॉफ्टवेयर बिकॉज दैट सॉफ्टवेयर मे बिकम your infection, the reason for infection of your computer. May that software contains many kinds of virus, and that virus is very harmful for your computer. Okay, don't use this. Let me talk one more point. Suppose you have received any kind of link, and that link is from untrusted source, unknown source, जिसको आप नहीं जानते, जिस पे आप बिलीव नहीं करते, ऐसी जगह से कोई लिंक आया, and once you click on that link, immediately your computer became hacked or maybe your computer become infected. Don't click on that kind of link. Is it clear or not? Yes, please make sure that don't click that kind of link. Okay? So right now your point will be, don't click on link which are coming from untrusted source. Okay, let me read one more time. Don't click on the link which are coming from untrusted source. Right, student? So please be aware about this thing. Okay, so these are the few points which help you to prevent your computer from the virus. I think you are able to understand each and every topic very efficiently. Okay, students? Now, coming to the next topic. I am going to arrange the board. Now, this is the topic number 2. It is already finished. Now, it's coming to the third topic. And third topic is antivirus. Third topic is antivirus. First of all, you must be aware about what is antivirus, how we are going to use that, okay? And once it is installed into the computer, what are your responsibility? Yes, what are your responsibility after the installation of that antivirus? Right? So first we are having our definition. So what do you think, students? What do you think? What could be the definition for that? Is it a system software or application software? Tell me. Yes, correct answer. It's a one kind of application software which is installed into the computer, through which we are going to scan our computer, going to find out the infected source, and after that remove it or quarantine it. Okay? So this is the definition for your antivirus. Let me write this on the board. It's an application. It's an application software which needs to install into the computer for scanning, identification, removal, or you can say quarantine, right? So this may be the software for your antivirus. Okay, now one important thing I just want to give you. Okay, so before giving this important information, first I am going to erase the code. So I am erasing here. Please have a patience. Okay. Suppose your antivirus is already installed in your machine. Already installed. Now, after installation, let's take an example. Suppose I have taken Quick Heal antivirus. Quick Heal. Okay. After the installation, what do you think? It's your responsibility is over now. That your computer is become very much safe now. Once the installation is done, just think about it. This is the question belongs to you. This question belongs to you. Please give the answer. A big question mark is here. Big question mark. Is their responsibility is over? No. Absolutely no. The reason is once the antivirus is installed into the computer, it should be regularly updated. Yes, it should be regularly updated. Regularly, it should be regularly updated. Why? Can you tell me why? Why the antivirus is regularly updated? Any idea? There is only one reason. Only one reason. Day by day, the virus definition is getting changed now. So once the definition is going to be changed, then antivirus should be updated according to that definition. Means if the virus is going to insert into the computer, going to enter into the computer, at that time the virus should be having a proper definition. At that time, if antivirus is not updating according to that definition, it can't be scanned, can't be identified by that antivirus. Identify नहीं हो पाएगा अगर हम वायरस डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से एंटीवायरस को भी अपडेट नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि वो वायरस तो डे टू डे अपडेट हो रहा है, लेकिन एंटीवायरस को भी डे टू डे अपडेट करना चाहिए. ओके, सो उम्मीद करता हूं कि अभी तक जो भी आपको पढ़ाया गया होगा सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आया होगा. राइट? सो ये था हमारा टॉपिक एंटीवायरस. और अब हम जो देखने वाले हैं टॉपिक नंबर 4, और यहां पर हम ये समझेंगे कि हमारे पास जो एंटीवायरस है, the antivirus which we have in our computer, how we are going to use that? Okay, what kind of buttons we are going to use, what kind of action is going to perform by that antivirus. Right, student? So our topic is Quick Heal antivirus. Right? Quick Heal antivirus. ओके, हमें अब इसके बारे में पढ़ना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इसको पढ़ने के लिए, इसको समझने के लिए मैं आपको अपने अब डेस्कटॉप की तरफ लेके चलता हूं. मैं वहां पर मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकली करके दिखाऊंगा कि किस तरीके से आप अपने कंप्यूटर में एंटीवायरस को रन करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो प्लीज कम टू माय डेस्कटॉप. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि हमने बात की थी कि हम वायरस के बारे में बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से जानने का प्रयास करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको कुछ टॉपिक्स मैंने कवर किए हैं अभी मेरे इस वीडियो में. अब ये समय है प्रैक्टिकल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन का. So it's time for practical demonstration that if your computer having a quick heal antivirus in your computer, then how you are going to use that, किस तरीके से हम इसको यूज़ करेंगे, क्या हम इसके लिए स्टेप्स फॉलो करेंगे, इसके हम अच्छी तरीके से समझने का प्रयास करेंगे. So students, let's go for it. So first of all, what we'll do here, we'll search where the quick heal is. Click on start button and there is a search box here. In that search box we have to type quick heal. Quick heal. Now let's wait. Now the quick heal icon is arrived here. Now the first one you have to click on. First one, quick heal total security. I repeat, quick heal total security. Click on that. Now let's wait to open it. Now this window appears on your screen. So right now I want to scan my computer on a regular interval basis. So right now in this interface, okay, 4 buttons are there. First one is total ransom protection. Second, scan option. Third, internet and network. And third, parental control. Okay, so right now this application is not registered with the company. Okay, it's a one kind of trial version. It is only for your demonstration, right? So right now what we'll do here, we will going to scan my computer with the help of this button. The name of the button is scan. Click on that. Now you will get approximate 7 options. First option is quick scan. Second option is full system scan. Third one is custom scan. Then memory scan. Then boot time scan. Then vulnerability scan. Then mobile scan. So what we'll do here, we'll going to proceed with quick scan. Okay, we'll use the first scan. So why we are going to scan this? The reason behind it, we are going to scan this computer to check the suspicious thing. Is there virus is there or not? Is my laptop is infected or not? Whatever thing. Okay. So after that, after the total quick heal total security is scanning completes, it will show the result. Okay. So now what are you waiting for? Please click on quick heal. Now I have clicked on. Now the scanning is started now. Scanning is started now. So first of all, once the scanning is started, you were able to see 4 buttons are there. First, skip folder. If you want to skip the scanning of the folder, you can click here. Now skip file. If you want to the scan of skip file, you can click here. And if you want to pause the scanning, you can click on pause button. And if you want to stop the scanning, fully stop the scanning, then you will click on stop button. So right now scanning is going on. It is taking a less time to scan your computer, but if you take the full scan, it will take a lots of time to scan each and everything, right student? So student, let's wait to finish it. And one more thing, there is a small table is there, and the first name of the column is status and the second name is action. Okay, right now first row is saying about how many files are scanned. Second, archive and parked, what are the old files that is already scanned here. Okay, threats detected 0. Okay, boot partition viruses. Okay, and in the second column action is there. Okay, so many things. So right now you are able to see that the scanning is complete, no virus found here. Okay, now if I want to close here, I will click on close button. Okay students, now I have clicked on. Okay students, now again the same window comes here. So this is all about the scanning of your computer. Okay, now if you want to use the full scan, I just want to use full system scan. Click one time. Right now scanning is going on. So same window coming here, and it is start scanning from the C drive. Okay, and the same window comes here. If any infected files are there. Okay, so the action is, there is 3 kinds of action is there. please be remember, the antivirus perform three kinds of action. Number one, files repair. If there is a chances for repairing of file, it will be repaired. Number two, files quarantine. Files quarantine means if the file having a large infection, okay, it will be separated from the society of the computer system or the bunch of the files in that file. मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर ग्रुप में कोई एक फाइल बहुत ही ज़्यादा इन्फेक्टेड हो गई है तो वो क्या करेगा, उस इन्फेक्टेड फाइल को वहां से अलग करके कहीं और रख देगा ताकि बाकी चीज़ें हमारी सेफ रहें. ओके, एंड लास्ट नॉट द लीस्ट, the files deleted. This is the third action performed by the antivirus, right? So right now each and everything is written 0. It means no files are repaired, no quarantine is there, no file is deleted here. Okay, so what the summary about this is that three actions: repairing, quarantine and deletion. Okay, three actions are given, and please make sure that in a month 2 times you have to scan your computer, every 2 times, and whatever the suspicious things are there, whatever the abnormal activity is there, that are going to be handled by this antivirus, right? So once in a week you have to do the full scan of your computers. Now students, I'm going to stop this. It is asking about, do you want to stop this scanning? I'm saying yes. Now it is taking little bit of time. Now you can close here. It is still taking some time. It is unable to click here. Let me end the taskbar here. I am going to shut down for erase from the here. Now it is totally shut down here. Means the file is closed here. So students, I hope you are able to understand each and everything. Now it's time to say thank you so much for watching this. Okay, keep watching my YouTube channel and keep giving the feedback of whatever the content you are liking or not. Okay, so thanks once again. Thank you so much.